Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to go over uploading a video to YouTube. So in the 4 previous lessons we looked at what to include in your titles, your descriptions, your meta tags and your thumbnails. And in this video we're going to just practically go over where to put this information in and how to upload a video onto YouTube. So first things first, you want to make sure you are on youtube.com right over there, and then log into your account. And then to get to this upload screen, we're just going to click on the upload button right in the top here and then upload video. Now some things may look a bit different on your screen compared to mine. I've got Tubebuddy installed here, the free extension. I do recommend this free extension because it can give you a whole host of SEO tools for to analyze both your channel and your competitors and other channels on YouTube. So once we're on this screen, the first thing that we want to do is select the video that we want to upload. Now I'm going to open up the File Explorer. You can either click here and then select the file or just drag and drop one in. I've got this one here. This is just an example. But first thing that you will notice is that I've already used I've changed the raw file name to display the file name or the video title with our main keyword right here in our raw file name. So places to visit in France, that's the main keyword that we're targeting, or the best places to visit in France. And I've got the full long tail keyword included here as well. So we have that part already optimized. So let's drag that in, drop it in, and you can see that it already starts uploading. And now this is the upload screen. So as I said, your screen may look slightly different to mine. I have the Tubebuddy extension included here, so we've got these little boxes here with the Tubebuddy logo, which have some added tools to help us select some more tags, upload checklist, and if we scroll down, we've got some more boxes here, like this tools box over here. But we're not going to look at that right now. So we can scroll up here, and you can see that this is the title section with the title over there at the top. I've got our little document open here, so let me just copy in the title that we made in the previous video, paste that in, and now you can see that Tubebuddy is telling me that 86 characters of the 100 available has been used for this title, so that's great. We've got our keyword here, we've got our LSI keyword here in the end, we've got a date to show that our content's current, and we've got some more little mid and long tail keywords included throughout this title. The next thing we want to do is look at our description. I'm going to open up copy that description we wrote in the previous video, and let me just copy that, and then I can paste it in here, and then we can look at if there's anything that we should change here. So let's just get rid of that, and then we can just scroll up, and now you can see that Tubebuddy again has told us how many characters we've used. So 2,275 of the 5,000 available, and we can then just go in here and try and make this description area a little bit more readable. So here would be a video link. Let's just go and put youtube.com wherever we have a video link. Let's give the full and I'm just going to copy that then into wherever we have a video link, and then just give a space so that we can see a little bit more clearly on what's going on. So add some spaces here. This is Grammarly that I have installed here, so it just tells me if there's anything that should be any grammar mistakes that I have included. Another free app, Grammarly, it's also recommended, but it's not necessarily required, but it does help you for those times when some grammar mistakes may slip your mind. So let me just continue just quickly changing some of these spacing so that description looks all right. And there does not seem to be any more mistakes according to Grammarly extension. And that's our description. So once you've copied the actual link in here, then your description should be done, and your hashtags at the end here, and everything else that you want to include with your description. So the tags. When it comes to our tags, we can start by including our main long tail tag there. And now you can see at the bottom here, it shows how many characters we've used and how much we have of 500 characters. So we can then continue adding some tags. And I'm just going to add a few of these like this. France travel guide. Just copying these from the title that we have already. Places to visit in France, and then just backspace that because we have it already, and then add places to visit in France other than Paris. This is now Tubebuddy giving me some suggestions, so we'll go and take that one. And then places to visit in France 2019. Let's go with France travel guide. And now we can go through our description and look for some LSI keywords that we would have already had written down. But let's go with UNESCO World Heritage Site. Oops. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. And we can look for some more here. Just go through our description, or I have the description open here and I've got it already marked out, so we maybe can include these a little bit easier. Things to do in France. We have, let's look at what's the other ones. I saw there were a few great ones here, hidden incredible places in France. Let's go with incredible places in France. And then we can go with things to see in France. And then let's just include some of the things that they can see. So the Loire Valley. Just give some context about what this video is about. We've got Strasbourg, the city, in there. We have Colmar as well. Let's go with Alsace, Provence. And then we are running out of space, so let's add some more head keywords. So we've got Provence, Alsace, Colmar, Loire Valley, Strasbourg, France, just to give some more context. And that's what we sort of want to do in these last few pieces of our tags. So we'll go Côte d'Azur and then also the French, if that fits. It doesn't quite fit, so we'll just go with French. Alright, so that's our tags. We've got our title, our description, our tags included. And then we want to include our thumbnail. So on this page, we're just going to scroll down and you've got this video thumbnail section. Here you can select a screen grab from the video, but as I mentioned in that thumbnail video, that is not a good thing to do because these are generally lower quality and it's not going to capture people's attention as well as a high quality dedicated custom thumbnail would. So we're going to click on the custom thumbnail button and then select whichever thumbnail we've created. And now I've got this thumbnail over here created. You can also put some keywords into this title if you want, but it doesn't pay as much. It doesn't really have that much of an effect, but it's a good practice to do. And now we've got that one selected. We can go through some of our settings. And you can see now our thumbnail is loaded up here onto the left bar. Alright, so that's it for this video, this lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to go over the different settings that you want to have set up for this for your video when you're uploading it to YouTube. And I'm going to see you in that one. Ciao.